What is up, YouTubers? So, I'm working on a 63 Impala, and I've been searching through videos on how to put this together. I haven't seen a video for a Pacific 63 Impala, so I figure I'll make a video for y'all. I'll try to make it quick, if so. So, my client, this here was actually broken. This red O-ring here was actually busted. The issue that he was having was his horn ring here was loose. So when I took that apart, this was already busted. So what I did is ended up getting a whole new ring and a whole new setup for this. So this is the horn button pretty much. So normally when you take this off, you take these 3 bolts off. Let me see if I can get the focus. There we go. Take these off. Once these is off, this is going to pull out. Once it pulls out, there is a white, or actually no, yours might be black or whatever. It's a plastic piece that's really loose here. So you take that out. Then underneath it, there's a piece that's kind of like oval shaped a little bit. I don't know how you can explain it, but it's like a dome shape. So that comes out, and then you'll be able to take all that out. I'm not gonna actually take this off because I'll tell you it was a pain in the butt to get it going. You know what? I think I'm gonna go ahead and do it anyway. I'm gonna go ahead and no, I'm not gonna do it because I will tell you, installing this is not that hard, and it's not complicated either. So when you install it, there's a flat piece that's back here. Right there is black. You want to leave that in there. Then this golden looking piece here, that's the one you want to put in. After you put that in, then there's a white plastic or black. They come in varieties of colors. You put on here, but it's loose. So it's kind of shaped like this here. Then it curls down and then goes down, curls again, goes up and curls up and then over again. So it stays in there loosely. What that does is when you push on this, it sends from this metal piece to that golden metal piece to the contact that's behind it, which there's a horn button that's right here. That's what gives it the horn, which I'll show you now. So all you got to do is tighten these bolts, but don't tighten them all the way. You want to tighten them. Once you tighten them, then you test the push. You test the push. You push it to see if it'll beep. If it'll beep, try to get them so they're even, but do not tight them very tight, or what's going to happen, it's going to stick and the horn is just going to stay on. So I've been working with this for probably about a couple of hours. It's really been on and off. It hasn't been like a full day. I'll work on it like 15 minutes before family stuff that I got to do. So yeah, I wish I could show you the parts. or where I don't. But yeah, so just make sure when you, there's a bolt under behind here, behind your steering wheel, that take these bolts off. So you're gonna need a little screwdriver. Get behind there. Take the bolts off. Over here is gonna be a little bit tricky, so you gotta kind of turn the wheel and then loosen it. Once that does, then this part will come right off. And that's when it exposes this piece here. And then, like I said, I'm gonna repeat again, I'm sorry. You take these off. You take this off. This whole thing, and then you take this off. Plastic comes off. The gold piece comes off. The old one, it might be a little bit damaged, so I always suggest, if you're gonna go through this, get a new horn button. Just get a whole new horn button assembly to fix this. It'll come with this here, the screws, the piece that goes right behind here, and the contact going piece right there. And it comes with the horn button as well, but I'm still using the stock one in here, because then you will have to kind of go deep into it, and it seems like I didn't have to go deep into it, so it's fine with the old one still in there. And then put it back together. The gold goes in first, the gold disc ring. The plastic piece goes in there. Then you want to stick this and this together on there, align it all up, and then screw these down until this is not moving anymore. So once that's not moving anymore, then you want to go ahead and slowly tighten each one, and then tap to see if the horn will work. And keep on doing that until when you start tightening one, then it's going to start, like, the horn will come on and it'll stay on. All you got to do is loosen it up. Back it out a little bit until it stops. Once it stops, then you loosen these a little bit, and then you push this again, or this side, doesn't matter, each one, until you get that, until you achieve that nice tone, that's what you want. So that's good. After that, it is done. Plain and simple. This is for a 63 Impala. I'm not sure if it works for a 64, but I'm pretty sure it does. But they do make videos for the 64. I just never seen them make one for the 63. So there you go, guys. Horn button assembly right here. Thanks, guys. Y'all have a good one.